Okay guys, it's sort of going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you Benidorm Skid Row with the new bar. It's going to be a short video, this one, I think. So let's go and have a look. Okay guys, let's go and have a look. New bar's just up here. Up the top there. Needs a few more businesses to come in down here, I think. And the wild duck. It's got sort of a side entrance. Still not sure how you get through the other bar, but yeah, gonna be good. Looks like they're doing all right. Seems to be people in there. There you go. Let me know if you've already tried it out. Looks a good bar. Okay, so we're just going to move on a bit because of the music. Probably get copyrighted on that. Show you exactly where we are. Got the Why Not bar there. You can definitely see why it's called Skid Row. I don't know guys.